In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DeepSeek as a thinking partner. We'll walk through getting set up, crafting prompts that get thoughtful responses, and guiding the model to help you think clearly without doing the thinking for you. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type DeepSeek and press Enter. Click on the official DeepSeek website in the results. If the site isn't already in English, switch the language by selecting English. Then, click Start Now to open a fresh chat. Before you ask any question, define the role you want DeepSeek to play. This sets expectations and dramatically improves the quality of the conversation. A great starting prompt sounds like this: "You are my thinking partner. Your job is not to agree with me, but to ask clarifying questions when my thinking is vague, offer alternative perspectives, and help me structure messy thoughts into clear options." Paste that into the chat and submit. This tells the model how to behave, and you'll notice it engages more critically and helpfully. Next, give context before asking for help. Models think better with information, so share your situation, goals, constraints, and where you're stuck. For example, I'm choosing between two job offers. My goal is to make a choice I won't regret in 2 to 3 years. Constraints include a minimum acceptable salary, a specific location requirement, and limited energy for overtime. I've already considered money, title, and commute. Where I'm stuck is comparing long-term growth and culture. Then ask, based on this, help me clarify the core problem in 1 to 2 sentences, then list 3 to 5 angles we could explore together. Submit that, and you'll get a focused, diagnostic response that frames the discussion. Finally, guide DeepSeek to think step by step without displaying private reasoning. Give it a structured instruction like, "Act as my thinking partner." First, propose a decision framework. What 4 to 7 criteria should I use to judge my options? Then, create a simple table comparing my options on each criterion. Even if you have to make reasonable assumptions, just label them. Finally, summarize the key trade-offs in plain language without telling me what to choose. Submit this, and you'll get an organized, transparent analysis you can act on. A few tips as you go. Keep the conversation iterative, update constraints as you learn more, and if the model drifts, remind it of the role you set at the start. With these steps, DeepSeek becomes a reliable partner that sharpens your thinking and turns fuzzy ideas into clear decisions.